The KTM RC 390 is a fantastic motorcycle for both beginners and experts alike. Even after 4 years since its introduction, it is still on top in terms of performance. But like every other goods in our life, the RC 390 is also getting a bit too long in the tooth. Even its recent update, which is lackluster at best, left many of us wanting for more. The only things that we got from the recent update was ride-by-wire technology, a new belly pan, a new side-mounted exhaust, and a few kilograms. But fear not, there will be a completely new one which hopefully will once again dominate the beginner class segment. The current RC 390 is not the most beautiful thing out there. Yes, it's got aggressive lines, sharp edges, but it's just not pretty, at least to my eyes. And the new prototype also seems to follow the same design language. But the unique thing about this prototype is that giant one-piece clear screen which hides the headlights and the supposedly TFT display. It just doesn't make any sense for the new RC 390 to not to have the latest TFT display from the KTM, when its naked sibling, the Duke 390, has already got one. The fairing and the fuel tank seems to have grown in size, which should help out the big dudes out there. The motorcycle in general seems to be a little bit bigger than the current RC 390. The new RC 390 will have the same engine architecture and capacity as its roadster sibling. But we should see a number of improvements in the form of power and, most importantly, refinement. Because the refinement has never been the strong suit of this Austrian mad dog. And at the same time, it would be a bit too much to ask the Japanese levels of refinement. But still, we should see some considerable improvement in the refinement levels. The stellar handling performance was always been a plus point of the KTM RC 390, thanks to its brilliant Trellis frame. But in the upcoming model, that brilliant frame may also get some major changes. Because if you look closely at the spy pic, the subframe on this prototype is completely different from the subframe on the current RC 390. So I think it is safe to assume that the Trellis frame may also get some major overhauls in the upcoming model. The suspension and the braking components seems to be from the same suppliers as before, which are WP and Vibray. But considering all the upgrades that the upcoming model is getting, these components should also have some considerable improvements too. There are no words on when this motorcycle will launch in the market, but we should have our first glance in the 2019 Intermont or 2019 EICMA show. Now tell me what you think about this motorcycle in the comment section down below. And if you made it this far of the video, thank you so much for sticking by. As always, don't forget to press that thumbs up button if you liked the video, and don't forget to press that red subscribe button if you loved it. See you guys next time. Ride safe.